Hey, okay, so once you log in, go where we normally go to Tools. Then you're going to go to Search, change Student to Course Section. Go. And then let's just say you're checking that they entered in homeroom grades. So you'll go to homeroom K. Don't click on a teacher, just keep it on the main heading for that one. So homeroom K, go up to sections, and then this is where you can check each teacher. So like for Holly, click on gradebook, and we'll only open the homeroom grades portion of her gradebook. So now you can see, so she's in her dibbles, and you can just I just do a quick like boom, boom, oops, boom. I just do a quick, making sure they're all entered, close out, and then I check the next teacher. And then once I've done homeroom grades, you go down and do health for grade 1, or health for kindergarten, and then so on. I'm only going to spot check, I think, today, because we're going to go through with a fine-tooth comb tomorrow and Thursday, checking to make sure they all have, a rating and whatnot. So anyway, quick and easy today.